Morning students, our next topic is speed. How can we calculate speed? So whenever we want to determine which object is moving faster or which object is moving slower, we can easily find out that with the help of speed. So what is speed? The rate at which object cover distance, that is which object is faster or which object is slower with time taken, with time. Now here what speed is a scalar quantity. What is the meaning of scalar quantity? It has only magnitude, it has only value, there is no meaning of direction in it. Okay. Now how can we calculate the speed? The formula of the speed is distance covered divided by the time taken. Now let us understand this formula of speed with the help of numerical or example. Now let us take an example. A car covers a distance 50 km in 1 hour. In 1 hour, car covers a distance of 50 km. Now we want to calculate speed of the car. How can we calculate the speed of the car? By dividing distance covered by car with the time taken by the car. Here distance covered is 50 km and the time taken by car is 1 hour. So here speed of the car is 50 km per hour. In this way we can calculate speed of any vehicle. Now let us take another example. Suppose you are going school from home and the distance you cover from your home to school is 2 km and the time taken by you is about 10 minutes. So how you can calculate speed? Here time given is in minute and the distance is in kilometer. So firstly we convert this minute into hour. Now divide this with 1 over 60. We can easily convert this into hour. Now apply this in the formula of speed, which is distance covered over time taken. Now here distance covered is 2 km and time taken is 10 over 60. So 2 upon 10, 60 by 1 km per hour. So 12 km per hour is the speed with which you move from your home to school. So in this way you can calculate your speed with the formula distance covered over time taken.